So Stylevana has released some mini advent calendars for the summertime. These are kind of designed to take along with you. And as always, these are curated from Stylevana. They incorporate a lot of their best-selling products and just skincare favorites in general. And the nice thing about these is that they're also a good way to try a bunch of products or stock up on some of your favorites at a discount. Now these retail for $109, but I do have a discount code for 23% off. So I'll put all the information for that in the description box below. But let's go ahead and get to the part I know we're all waiting for, which is unboxing and going through the products. So there are two different sets. We have the K-Beauty Active set and the K-Beauty Recovery set. So let's go through the K-Beauty Active set first. I really appreciate that they give little travel bags and they're cute and matching, as we will see. So this one you get a little white one in. So if you haven't had enough Riedel Shot in your routine, add some for your scalp. This is from VT Cosmetics, the Riedel Shot Scalp Shampoo. This is supposed to help with growth and promote just overall scalp health. Riedel Shots I've been getting more into and I'm less intimidated by. Definitely gonna have to try that because I haven't tried it on my hair yet. Next, we have a Skin 104 product, and this is the Madagascar Centella Teca Soothing Toner. So definitely good for sensitive skin types. I'm also seeing that we have a product here from Perito. This is the TXA 6 Niacinamide 10 Retinol Serum, so going to be good for like anti-aging and just overall helping improve the look of your skin as far as hyperpigmentation goes. So I have been really enjoying a lot of Perito products lately. Next, we have this from Pretty Skin. This is the Pure Jejusica 99 Mist, which during the summertime, I feel like a mist is a must-have. Not only is it really refreshing and soothing on the skin, but I use mist basically in between every step of my skincare routine just to keep my skin damp while I'm going through my products. Next, we have one of my favorite cleansing oils from Ionique. This is the Calendula Complete Cleansing Oil. I actually shared empties of this at the end of my skincare wrap up for 2025, where I talked about like having 5 years worth of skincare empties, and this was among them. Definitely a cleansing oil that comes off clean on the skin, removes the makeup and sunscreen from the day, and I'm just a big fan of Ionique. I feel like they don't get enough credit. Next, we have a product from Medicube. This is the Kojic Acid Turmeric Vita Eye Gel Serum. I have not tried this. I'd be very curious to see how this works. I'm always interested in trying products that are great for brightening up the under eyes because I feel like as I'm getting older and into my mid-30s, that's definitely something I struggle with a little bit. Then we have this from Centellian 24. This is the Medeca Cream Time Reverse. I have not tried this. So I'll have to give this a go. I don't really have a lot to say because that's like new for me. Oh, you're needing sunscreen for the summertime. Another great brand. This is Cell-Fusion C. They have a whole line of sun care products because they're known for kind of like post-laser care and also just like sun protection in general. So this is one of their best sellers. This is the Laser UV Sunscreen. Again, I'm constantly going through sunscreens and trying different ones. So definitely one I recommend and have tried before, but also their line is great. And then last but not least, we have this little guy from Misha. This is the Glow Skin Balm. I actually used to use the cream version of this, but I have not tried the balm. And I feel like for, again, kind of like my under eyes, which is where I struggle, this will be really helpful. So I have not tried this specifically, but I've tried other products from this line and I really enjoy them. So that is what's in the active set. So let's go ahead and check out what's in the recovery set. Next, we have the recovery set, and we again have a nice little travel bag. This one's in pink, and like I said, they're matching, so that's very nice. Right off the bat, I see we've got some Sungbun Editor sheet masks. I love these for travel because it's basically like traveling with the whole skincare routine in a little pouch. So if you want your skin to look amazing and flawless, but you don't want to carry a bunch of skincare products, that's kind of the hack. All right, so we do have some duplicates between the kits. So just to give you guys a heads up, some of the duplicates you'll see, we have the VT Cosmetics PDRN Riedel Shot Scalp Shampoo. That's also in this set. We also have this one from Perito, the TXA Niacinamide 10 Retinol Serum. That's in both sets. And then we also have another one of these Centellian 24 Medeca creams. Oh, and then also the Medicube Kojic Acid Turmeric Vita Eye Gel Serum. So definitely, you know, you don't need both, but pick which one you want. I mean, you could use both, but they have some duplicates, just as a heads up. Now, getting back into the products that are unique to this, we have one of my favorites, Round Lab, the Dokdo Cleanser. This is one of the best cleansers for people who wear like a lot of makeup, but have dry, sensitive skin, because I find this doesn't dry or strip my skin, but it does give a nice foamy, sudsy cleanse that I really must have in my cleanser. Then we have from Costa Baja, this is the Hydroquinone Brightening. I did not know you could get products like this, so this I'm definitely gonna have to investigate because I definitely have an issue with dark spots, which is why I get laser all the time. Not all the time, but I get laser for it to treat it. So I'm gonna have to try that. Next, we have the sun protection that comes in this box. This is from Tokobo. This is the Bio Watery Sun Cream, another great sun protective product. And I know sometimes Korean formulated sunscreens can be a little bit harder to get your hands on, so a little method of getting some and some other products. And then last but not least, we have this product from Pyongyangul, which I'm very pleasantly surprised to see not only kind of like repackaging, rebrand from Pyongyangul, but also seeing them again, because this is, again, one of those skincare brands I feel like doesn't get talked about enough, but just has so many amazing products. And this is their Essence Toner. So something I feel like you really can't go wrong with. So this is all the skincare products you get between the 2 mini advent calendars. Stylevana is doing us a solid by holding us over with these until they come out with their holiday advent calendar. So as I mentioned, I will go ahead and put all the information down in the description box below, because not only do they have this going on, but they have some other great discounts. So I'm just gonna put everything down there, including my discount code, just to make it easier to shop and navigate and to get information on how to grab these. And as always, I hope you guys are happy and healthy. And don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.